What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Before I get started, make sure you guys hit that like button and hit the subscribe button if you guys are new here. Today we're going to be talking about Alpha Shares version 2. I think there's a lot to be desired with this position, with not only the position but also what they offer throughout their services. I feel as though it is something that is starting to get a lot more attraction, a lot more attention, because what we've seen in the past couple of years is that NFTs haven't really seen that much hype. But as we get closer and closer to this altcoin season, to the official blow up of a lot of altcoins that are out there in the bull run, we're starting to see a little bit more interest that's happening within NFTs. And we still have people that see this as that artwork that it should be seen as, right? The beauty that it is, right? And also having the use case to some of them and finding the right use cases, I think is just necessary for that market to succeed. And I think we're starting to see that. So I'm going to talk about Alpha Shares version 2. I'm going to go through kind of everything that's new, go through the new launch that's supposed to happen very, very soon, and just give you all the information that you need if you guys want to, pick up the position itself, or if you want to just go in there and be a part of some of the launches or minting processes. You can definitely do that as well. But let's take some time to go into that, guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I will provide any link to Alpha Shares down below so you guys can get a sense of what it is, new launches, as well as the chart and the positions that we are looking at. Now, bear with me when it comes to the chart because we're not really seeing too much information when it comes to like market cap and volume and all of that stuff that we really want to see within a position itself. But it is always great to still see that there's a position out there for that. And, we can actually buy into the business in a way, right? Everybody wants to know how to do that. There's always a conversation like, hey, how can I buy into that business rather than buying the things on that business, right? The same thing goes for any company that we buy into at the stock market. You see Dick's Sporting Goods, or you see Target, or all of these companies, and you're like, I want to buy into those rather than just buy the products, right? But it's always great to still buy the products. So let's go ahead and get into this and give you guys a little bit of a breakdown about what it is. Here's the website for alphashares.io. It's basically a place to where you can have these mints of NFTs. And right now they have a minting package that's starting with the Alpha Pack Pups. And we're going to go into that in a little bit. But let's just kind of understand Alpha Shares a little bit. So Alpha Shares is the world's first community-owned marketplace with a focus on community first. This means it always supports creator royalties and projects directly, not just their traders. As an aggregator of over 170 marketplaces, Alpha Shares is one of the the one-stop shop for listing and trading NFTs. The marketplace and its Discord community are great places to learn about upcoming projects and communities. Now, right now, as you can see at the top, they have a zero transaction fee week. So from April 4th to April 11th, which honestly is coming up, it's currently April 9th. From the 4th to the 11th, you can experience zero transaction fees, meaning that if you were looking to sell, if we had an example, we were looking to sell a Bored Ape for $50,000, most marketplaces would pay approximately $1,250 for that transaction, right? But this week you'll pay zero fees, so you won't have to pay that promotional won't have to pay that fee based on this promotion. So that's definitely a good thing to see there. If you guys, it makes a lot of people interested, especially if you're interested in NFTs and you find something that you do like. Now to kind of get into Alpha Pack Pups. This is something that I think it does have something that's unique to it, and we'll get into what I believe is unique there. But Alpha Pack Pups, so they're bringing fun into the NFT world. on a whole nother level, while also adding passive income, which is again a big thing, to get an extra piece to it rather than just having the artwork. You're getting something extra with it, and as soon as we can find the right level to do that, to offer these rewards to people and have those rewards extremely desirable, that's what matters. So the collection is 2,222 NFTs on 6 chains: Ethereum, Polygon, Binance, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Avalanche. The total is 13,332 total there. Now you can play the game. Each chain has a matching pup. Find the pup you want and match it on each of the 6 chains. The chances are you will have a pup that someone else wants, which opens up the possibility of selling your pup NFT at the higher value to make money. If you match 6 pups, you will be able to burn the matching 6 for a mega wolf that gets 10x reward payout, access to whitelist and monthly drawings from the NFT treasury. So that's a big selling point, right? To be able to find a way to match the 6 pups that you need to kind of burn those off and get that mega wolf that you can now earn extra rewards from. It's an incentive to continue to search for the ones that you want, right? But then you have a passive income play. So alpha pups are basically like stock traders, where there will be 3 alpha pups in the alpha shares community that will be used for the pup treasury to buy, sell, arbitrate, capitalize on whitelists and trends to generate money using alpha shares marketplace. 50% of the earned treasury growth gets distributed to each alpha pup NFT. Also, you have a lot of money saved with the zero fees as well. So that's a big deal. Right now, the pre-sale, as you can see here, the mint price will be 100 USD, which would be $100 as it's pinned to the dollar. But you have a pre-sale discount, right? That's $75 rather than $100 on mint day. You would be saving 25% basically. But this is something that's very, very interesting. I feel like it offers something new and fresh, to where it's like you get these and you have to match all 6, kind of like you're going to Monopoly or whatever, and you're looking to win, you're looking to get certain spaces, and you get those spaces that are all out. You end up winning a decent amount as you get all those spaces. I can't remember how Monopoly works on McDonald's, but the point is that you match all these things and you get money in return, or you get rewards, or you get prizes and all of that stuff in return as you are matching all of those things. So it's an incentive to continue to collect it. It's an incentive to try and find all the ones that you want and buy them for whatever prices they are listed for. So it's definitely something big. Now, just a little bit more about Alpha Shares. Alpha Shares brand is over 2 years old in Web3 and continues to be a market leader with fully doxed owners and a mission to create unique experiences using the blockchain. The brand uses fully audited contracts and is known to be an innovator in the crypto space. And again, this is something new that I haven't really seen, that you can see like upgrades and things of that nature within a project. And if we go into another project here, just to quickly look at that, we're going to see that you do have some activity where you have 304 that are remaining versus the like 700 that have been minted. So things are being minted on this website. Money is flowing through this website as well. And people are interested in the different NFT styles that they do have, which is pretty cool there. Now, before we let you go, what I want to do is go through not only the Twitter account to show you the level of kind of popularity there. Look at 23.1 K followers with a business check mark. So they are serious about this business. And obviously you could see that with the money that's flowing through the site. But then you also have the chart. Now the chart doesn't really tell you much. That's over here. It doesn't really express how much volume is going through there. But the point is that there's a lot of people that are like, hey, I want to find a way to buy into this position. And this is Alpha Shares new, that you're looking at a current overall supply of 1 million tokens. So as you see more growth. That is a low amount of supply that's there, giving itself a fully diluted market cap of $134,000 market cap, meaning that you could see a potentially big share of this position without spending a crazy amount of money. However, you would be risking a lot of money in order to do that. For your normal purposes, maybe you're risking $1,349 or $5,000 and saying, "Hey, I'll take a risk." It could honestly pick up. It could honestly push to way higher heights. And in the last year, we're seeing this up 11%, which is always great. And seeing that it had the ability to get to 33 cents is great as well. Again, you're looking at 1 million supply. So this could create an opportunity for people to find a lower price position that could essentially be worth a heck of a lot more. However, you want to take that risk because there's not really much, volume or market cap to go off of or anything that's happening there. So feel free to go ahead and check that out as well. But I thought this was very interesting. I thought this overall project was interesting because it does provide something that I haven't seen, which is, kind of matching all six, getting all six, and then being able to, kind of upgrade into another like bigger, more popular, more desirable NFT that gives you more rewards, which is pretty cool. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And check out any of the links for alpha shares that are at the top of the description. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.